At Toyota, depending on where you work in production, you may be required to wear steel-toed shoes, safety glasses, and an exoskeleton, all in an attempt to keep you safe. So what is an exoskeleton, you may ask? An upper-body exoskeleton is a body-worn, backpack-like device that uses a system of springs, cables, and pulleys to transfer weight from the arms to the outside of the hips. In a nutshell, it makes your arms feel like they're floating in water, like you're not holding their weight. And it eases the strain of overhead work.
Toyota believes that mobility goes beyond cars. It's about overcoming challenges. The Start Your Impossible initiative highlights the company's goal to provide mobility for all. Just as we are developing mobility solutions to help everyone enjoy their lives, we are developing solutions for our team members to work in better comfort and enjoy greater mobility at the end of their day. Since late 2016, we have been trialing exoskeletons across multiple Toyota sites. We are seeing significant design improvements in the workability of these exoskeleton devices. We found that team members generally report less discomfort and effort while wearing the devices.
Basically, what I've been doing is when I first started, my shoulders hurt really bad and my hands hurt, and honestly, I thought, I can't make it. Like, I'm not cut out for this job. Through a lot of fine-tuning and a lot of finagling, we got it to where my shoulders don't hurt at all. My hands surprisingly don't hurt. My back doesn't hurt. I honestly think I could work all day.
Been wearing the exoskeleton now for a little over a year. One of the biggest benefits I see for myself is I don't have the lower back discomfort or the shoulder pains when I wear the exoskeleton and underbody. I do recommend that all team members who have this available at least give it a shot and see how you like it, because I have benefited from it.
As far as team members wearing the exo suit, it seems to help them out quite a bit. They don't complain at the end of the day they're sore or tired. From what I've seen of them, it helps me too, because then I don't have to cover them online all the time, and they're happy.
In 2017, along with Iowa State University, Toyota conducted an electromyography or EMG study at TMMC, which measured the amount of muscle activity with and without the devices. We found that with an exoskeleton, the shoulder and back muscles were significantly less fatigued. When your muscles are less fatigued at the end of the day, you are reducing your chance of injury, and you are improving how you feel. You have more energy at the end of your shift to do the fun stuff you want.
I know when I leave work, I've got a Little League team that I help coach, and I have to throw somewhere between 300 and 600 pitches a week. And without this, I know that my shoulders wouldn't have felt nearly as good by the end of that.
It's been really wonderful. I go home and I don't hurt. I can go home and cook dinner for my family and not have to worry about, wearing ice packs and sitting down, and so it's been wonderful.
To assist with implementation, Safety was able to develop a simple tool to identify the process that would benefit the most from this type of device. In November 2018, Toyota became the first major company to require upper-body exoskeletons as personal protective equipment, or PPE, on certain processes that meet specific criteria.
I think the hard part about these risks were we really didn't know how to fix them. Some of them were really, really tough to kind of countermeasure. Flipping the car over, things like that, just not practical. This is where the exoskeleton was really, really good for us, because it was easy to implement and we knew it was going to work very well.
When a team member is fatigued, other things become at risk, such as their general safety awareness and behaviors. When you're fatigued, you can't focus on things the way you would like to. That also affects the quality of our vehicles. When you're fatigued and you're installing parts on a vehicle, the quality of that installation becomes at risk. So there's so many benefits when we eliminate that fatigue and decrease that burden.
The technology is very new, so it may be difficult for some people to accept as PPE. However, safety glasses and reflective clothing were likely met with similar attitudes early on, but now they are pretty common.
As far as wearing this for PPE, I think it's just like wearing your safety glasses, your hard helmet. It's a beneficial tool for you to help relieve stress off your body.
We're seeing some very, very positive results. I am so impressed. But I gotta tell you, it's not stopping with where we are today. There's more of this technology advancing every single day. As we implement and start to gather more information from team members, the devices are gonna change as well. You know, I think an analogy of an airbag in our vehicles. If we look back decades ago, where we started with airbags, there was a single airbag to protect the occupants. And what do we have today? We have literally 10 or 12 in some cases airbags to assist, because we've learned about how safety can be improved even further.
Going to be honest, I was really nervous there for a bit. I wasn't sure how it was going to restrict my motion or if it was at all. And it's a night and day difference. I don't have any pain in my shoulders at all anymore. If it does end up coming to your process, just give it a try. Don't be nervous. I had it down within about 2 vehicles, and then after that, it was completely a different world.
I would absolutely recommend you at least giving it a try and see if you like it. It's not going to hurt anything. It's only going to help you in the long run.
You know, they have an old saying, you could take a horse to water, but you can't make them drink. I'm one of the guys they took to the water, and man, I couldn't stop drinking. I mean, once I got this exoskeleton, I told them, hey guys, please don't ever take it from me, because this is it.
And as we begin this implementation phase across really all of our plants, I'm really looking forward to these great results. And the great results to me look like something very simple. It's allowing team members to be less fatigued at the end of their day, to be going home and enjoying the things that they would like to do in a different way. So thank you to the safety team, thank you to the plants been involved with this. I look forward to these great results in the years ahead.